Yeah, hello friends. So welcome to our channel again. So today we'll be going to have a look at crude oil intraday strategy. Okay. So this is for an educational content. So please do your own analysis before taking any real trade based on this strategy. Okay. So crude oil intraday strategy. Okay. So for this intraday strategy, the setup we need to have is time frame is 1 hour and it's an intraday, and indicator is like a 3 EMA. Okay, so EMA you can see, so by default it will be as a close, so you click on that close and you can see an option as open. Okay, so you need to have a you need to choose that open and keep the period as 3 for this AMA. Okay, so after that, so the buy setup is, so look for the 1 hour candle to open above 3 EMA and close above 3 EMA. So the same candle should be opening above that 3 period EMA and it should close above the 3 period EMA. Okay, so after that, if this condition is met, place the buy order above 5 points above the high price of the triggered candles. Okay, so don't keep just the buy order above that triggered candle, so keep like 5 to 6 points higher, so that even like we can avoid the fake signals sometimes, and we can avoid the reversal as well. Okay, so SL of this strategy is low of the triggered candle. So whatever the low has been there in that triggered candle, so keep that as an SL, and target is like whatever the SL you have, keep that 1.5 as 1.5 times of your SL as your target, and also trial your SL for each 10-point movement. Okay, so let's say after you let's assume that you enter that crude oil at the price of 3000 and the price moved to 3010, and if let's say your SL is already at the 2080 point, then now you move your SL to the 10 points higher as the SL moved the 10 points. Okay, so you can keep on trailing until your profit hit, or even if you're 100% sure that or else, like let's say if you're trading with more multiple lots, then book the half of the positions at your 1.5 percentage time of the target. Then you can keep on trailing your SL for balance pending lots. Okay, so this is the buy setup. So we have to have the open candle opening above the 3 EMA and also closing above the 3 EMA. So don't bother about the low of that candle, so we just need to look at the open and close. So this is an example. So here you can see that, so this is the candle which open, this is the EMA 3 period EMA indicator, and you can see that the candle opened above the 3 EMA and also it went high above the EMA, closed above the 3 period EMA, right? So we'll be keeping this point low as the SL and we'll be entering above this high. Okay, so you can see 3002 as the high, so we can buy above that 3005 or 6 level, and we can stay with the trade with the target. Okay, so here after that moment happens, you can trial your SL and you can book the profit for half of the if you are trading with the multiple lots, you can book your profit for half this. If let's say you are trading with 10 lots, you can book the 5 lots at this level and you can keep on trailing your profits. Okay, trailing your SL, so that you can get some more points. So here you can see that we have booked at the level of 3040, but it made the high of about 3065 in this candle. Okay, so this is an example of buying the crude oil. So now we can have a look at the selling setup. So for selling that setup, look for the 1 hour candle to open below 3 period EMA and closing below the 3 period EMA. So if this condition is met, so place the sell order below the 5 points lower from the low price of that triggered candle. Okay, so SL for this selling is like high of the trigger candle. So whatever the high made for this particular candle, we can keep it as a SL, and target for this is 1.5 times of your SL, and also you can trail your SL for each 10 points movement. Okay, so this is an example of an sell setup. So here you can see the candle have opened below this 3 period EMA and it closed below the 3 period EMA. Okay, so we'll be entering below the low of this triggered candle and keeping this as an SL. Okay, so after that you can see it doesn't give us the 1.5%, 1.5 times profit. So if we are trailing our SL, we can get out of the trade from this level. Okay, so this is an example of the sell setup, and you can see these are all this kind of a candles, right? If you see this much bigger candle, then you should avoid that candle, as you can see you will be getting that SL of the trade as very huge SL will be there, so you can avoid this kind of bigger size candles. Okay, so this is an one more sell signal happened, but here you can see that SL gets triggered. So this is the candle which gave the sell signal as it's opening below the 3 period EMA, and also it closing below the 3 period EMA. Okay, so after that here you can see it also the next candle breached the low of this candle, so we'll be entering into this trade as a sell on selling side, and after that you can see it doesn't move on downside and our SL gets triggered. So if you are trailing your SL, then you can see that after so your SL will get reduced to some certain level. So at least like here you can see it gave the movement of around 20-30 points. So your SL, so initial SL will be like around 50 points. So after that you can see that your SL gets reduced to 20 points as you are trailing your SL. Okay, so this is one of the good strategy, best strategy in a crude oil. So please do your back testing before entering it in a real trade. So thanks for watching, friends. So please do click on that subscribe button and also click on that bell icon so that you'll be getting the notification whenever we upload any new videos, and also clicks on and also do the comments so that we can able to know if you have any queries as well. So thanks for watching, friends.